Hi, this is Abhishek Apaji. I'm going to teach you about how to install Unity today. So let's start off. So first go to google.com, then say download Unity Hub. Yes, the first link you have to click, and then afterwards you get multiple options depending on which version in which operating system you're using. It works for all operating systems literally, and you need some GPU capabilities, which is not kind of must, but if you have GPU it looks really good and it is faster. So I'll click on this download Unity Hub, and then I'll save it, and it takes some seconds depending on your internet speed. And after that you have to click on whatever if you have seen on the right icon on your left. So to just click that, and you'll be able to see that you have to read the terms and conditions of the Unity, and then try to read those things and then say agree, and it will automatically start in. Here you see that the Unity is about to install. You have to just click and drop this Unity Hub inside app. So once you do that, you should be able to see that, and after that you can go to the application, then type Unity Hub, click on that, you should be able to start. Then say open. Yeah, so this is how it looks at the initial part of your screen, and after this what you're supposed to do is go here in the right top and then say sign in. It will ask for you to sign in with whatever license. Either you can create one by clicking here, or you can sign in using one of your Gmail or Facebook. So I'll use Gmail, so I'll click on that. I'll give my email ID, which I have already created an account with. Then I will give the password and say I'll say sign in, and it automatically connects with this, and say you have to say hello. Yeah, so this is a screen. Once you do this, if you're not able to see this first thing is you have to go and sign in here at this point. After that you have to activate new license. Click on this and say Unity Personal. Unity Pro you have to pay, but Unity Personal is something the company or organization I represent earned less than $100,000 in gross revenue in the previous fiscal year, or I don't use Unity in professional capacities. One of them is fine. It depends on your wish. So I don't use Unity in professional capacity because I'm using it for teaching purpose. And then say done. And after that it will search for the appropriate license, and then it will ask for some credentials. I will just type those credentials, and then ta-da, you get this license. So this is how you do the license management, right? So you can also check for update because we have installed just recently, so there is no update. It says your license is up to date. Just click on this preferences and then say install. In this install you have to add the versions which you would like to do. Because I'm using Mac, I'll be using the Mac version. Before that you should see the latest release. Latest release is 2019 3.14 F1. So I can use that and then say next. And here which one do you want to install? So if you have Visual Studio in your machine already, you need not install it, but if you are using Android you have to use this, but I'm using iOS, so I'll click on iOS, Mac, and if you want some kind of support for WebGL you can include this. Of course I want some documentation in case I have some questions, or you can use the documentation which is already inbuilt inside. So I'll click on next, and then I've read all the conditions and terms and condition above. Click on done, and it will start installing it. So remember, before I stop the session, I want to tell you that depending on the your system configuration, and depending on your internet speed, speed of your computer, it depends how much time it will take for few of them, because it's couple of GBs or more than that, maybe 5 GB of downloads cumulatively. So it takes almost couple of hours to 4 hours for me, because I am using iMac system, so it may be done within 10 minutes, but for you it may be little more time. So with this, I like to say bye, because I've told you how to install Unity, as well as how to install Unity Hub, and then the versions which you are supposed to use for your tutorials, which I'll be doing it from now. But more importantly, I want to tell that please subscribe, like, share this YouTube channel, which is very important for me to do some more tutorials like this, so that it will be helpful for you. Thanks a lot. Bye.